What are some first year must-haves?
Sorry. So definitely an air freshener, especially if you have roommates, because even though you might go nose blind, your room might actually not smell that good. So definitely bring an air freshener, especially the plug-in ones. Those work really well. And then a steamer, because you can't go around looking all wrinkly.
I think every freshman could bring a Keurig because, you're always going to need caffeine, either in the morning or late night study session or for any other reason. You're always going to be tired.
I think freshmen should bring photos from home or anything that reminds you of your family.
I think everyone should bring a laundry hamper, wrinkle release spray, and ice cube trays.
I would say you definitely need one of the power strips. Just make sure that it has an on-off button so you can plug in all your things safely.
I would say a first year must-have is definitely a retractable lanyard. You can use this for your ID, you can use it for your keys. Don't leave your room without it.
My top 3 recommendations are a Brita, under the bed storage, and extra comfy blankets.
Twin XL bedding, and that includes comforters, sheets, a mattress topper, and don't forget to bring pillows.
I'd recommend bringing a mirror and some hangers.
I would say shower shoes, because they always come in handy. 3-tier rolling cart, if you're like me and have a lot of stuff. And then cleaning supplies for your sink, toilet, shower, and might as well throw in a vacuum.
What are some first year must-haves, Indy?